Crisp visuals bursting with vibrant colors and stunning details. This is what the modern entertainment experience is all about. And short-throw laser projectors take it to the next level. Welcome to the world of larger-than-life home theaters, where big screens immerse you with their exhilarating magnitude while clever engineering packs ultra-crisp 4K visuals and sleek designs perfect for tight spaces. I'm thrilled to walk you through the 5 best short-throw laser projectors to elevate your home entertainment in 2024. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing, so let's get started. Number 5. Optoma Cinemax D2 Go. Boasting an immersive ultra-short throw experience packed with premium features at an accessible price point, the Optoma Cinemax D2 immediately catches the eye. Equipped with a sophisticated laser light source and extensive connectivity, this value-driven dynamo empowers you to curate a personal theater without breaking the bank. With an impressive 3000 ISO lumens of brightness, astonishing 1.8 million, 1 contrast ratio, and support for high dynamic range, the D2 generates profoundly vivid and nuanced visuals. Images spring to life saturated in vibrant, accurate color, while retaining intricate detail even in complex lighting interplay between shadows and highlights. Faces appear highly textured, clothing gains new depth through heightened fabric contrast, cityscapes glimmer with dynamic light play. Its ultra-short throw lens places viewers right in the heart of the action while eliminating distracting shadows. Combining close positioning flexibility with 8 optional adjustment angles for keystone rotation and offset correction, the D2 simplifies even challenging installations. Built upon Android TV, an intuitive and responsive smart interface, the Cinemax grants access to a vast library of streaming content and apps. Wirelessly cast shows from your mobile device for boundless entertainment. Achieving wireless full HD streaming through an included dongle, the D2 removes cable clutter without compromising performance. Connect external devices via dual HDMI ports or directly access content from USB and microSD card slots. Integrated 20 GBE Harman Kardon speakers emit clear, balanced sound while an advanced filter system maintains cool, quiet operation. Weighing under 20 lbs, the entire projection unit can be boxed up and transported between locations with ease. Delivering immense value through premium features and credible performance, the Optoma Cinemax D2 empowers truly immersive cinematic experiences at home on a reasonable budget. If you seek dynamic visuals immersed in inky blacks brimming with scintillating stars and vibrant color at a wallet-friendly cost, this projector shines bright. Number 4. LG Electronics CineBeam HU715Q. Infusing living spaces with breathtaking cinematic visuals through its minimalist modern design concealing immense processing power, the LG CineBeam 4K UHD laser projector HU715Q stands confidently among elite home theater display technologies as a vision of the future. A feat of innovation streamlining high-fidelity entertainment solutions into a flexible, user-friendly package breaking conventions, LG packs 8.3 million pixels into a compact chassis, brimming with connectivity and premium features prime for personalized installations. Boasting native 4K ultra-high-definition resolution paired with advanced tone mapping enhancing both static and dynamic high-dynamic range signals, the HU715Q generates astonishingly clear, nuanced, color-accurate visuals rivaling commercial screens. Images explode with vibrant, highly saturated color and intricate shadow/highlight detail. An integrated autofocus lens powered by LG's advanced imaging processing reveals fine textures in faces, clothing, foliage that leaves standard HD alternatives blurry and indistinct by comparison. This razor sharpness, retained even at the maximum supported 150-inch screen size, places viewers directly into their content, simplifying installation while empowering flexible positioning unhindered by shadows or obstructions. LG's proprietary ultra-short throw lens technology focuses brilliant true 4K images from mere inches of distance. Easily mount the streamlined projector flush against walls or embedded into media cabinets without compromising immersion. Built upon the user-friendly Webos platform and integrating wireless screen mirroring, forego external streaming devices or HDMI cable clutter while directly accessing your favorite apps. Quickly command content with magic remote point-click scroll voice control operation. Weighing only 24 pounds with built-in carry handle and rounded corners, conveniently transport this self-contained entertainment powerhouse between locations and orientations supported by automatic vertical and horizontal keystone adjustments that instantly optimize alignment. LG confidently backs their brilliant flagship with an industry-leading 3-year warranty. If you seek to transform blank walls into boundless cinematic portals in sleek style without compromising quality, the HU715Q ushers in the future. Number 3. Samsung LSP9T Premier. In a class of its own, towering above competitors as a masterclass in premium engineering and design, the Samsung LSP9T 4K Ultra Short Throw laser projector handily claims its throne as royalty among home cinema displays. A technical tour de force bursting with cutting-edge innovations, prepare for a masterpiece sure to redefine your concept of what technology can achieve. At the heart of this visual powerhouse beats a proprietary triple laser engine precisely calibrating pure red, blue, and green light to generate astonishing cinematic images overflowing with phenomenally intense color and mesmerizing dynamic depth. Brilliant native 4K ultra high-definition resolution combines with HDR10+ compliance to produce heavenly levels of detail through sharply defined edges and intricate textures. Capable of scaling content to fill screens between 100 to 130 inches corner to corner from mere inches away, Samsung's engineering feats simplify immersion. Dramatically reduce distracting shadows while retaining positioning flexibility, it casts spellbinding scenes perfectly tailored to the dimensions of your space. But breathtaking images alone fail to capture the full scope of the complete, enveloping entertainment environment Samsung envisions. Outfitted with unique audio beam technology producing three-dimensional soundscapes with exhilarating width and channel separation, the integrated 60W 4.202 channel speakers transform blank walls into fully fledged theaters. Sleek, streamlined curvature shaping the LSP9T's glossy white exterior interlaced with striking metallic speaker grills oozes modern finesse suited for proudly public positioning rather than hidden away. Fully loaded with a robust port array handling 4 HDMI inputs in addition to USB, Ethernet, RF antenna, and optical audio interfaces, connectivity will never limit your expanding scope of devices. For those seeking the pinnacle of performance and luxury in a projection system capable of fulfilling even futurology visionary dreams, the bar-setting engineering showcase contained within the Samsung LSP9T cements its legacy today. Marvel at the fruits of visionary innovation and treat your senses to an experience transcending the ordinary. Number 2. Hisense PX1-PRO. Raising the bar on expectation-shattering quality through glossy cherrywood industrial design language concealing immense processing right within, Hisense shatters preconceived notions on what's achievable by projection technology. Meet the flagship PX1-PRO Triple Laser Cinema, a fully-fledged integrated home entertainment hub simplifying cinematic-grade experiences. Bursting with scorching 2500 ISO lumens of brightness focused through proprietary color-enhancing optical architecture, the PX1 floods living spaces with eye-searing vibrance translating to mesmerizing cinematic visuals certain to stop visitors in their tracks. Vast color gamut capable of producing over 1 billion unique hues injected with HDR-enhanced contrast, injects films and games with tangible atmosphere through mood-setting accents. Powered by a triple primary color laser source enabling an astonishing 25,000 hours of maintenance-free runtime operating in virtual silence, gone are days struggling with filters, fans, and failed lamps. Hisense engineering guarantees optimal image consistency over decades rather than months of traditional counterparts. Despite compact chassis dimensions, streamlining placement flexibility, integrated 30W up-firing speakers enhanced by Dolby Atmos signal processing surround viewers and atmospheric sound, eliminating demands for external audio hardware. Access apps and streaming platforms via integrated Android TV operating smoothly through built-in wireless connectivity. Though constrained to fixed zoom requiring a minimum 90 screen size, once calibrated automatic focus instantly fine-tunes alignment if bumped or moved. Simplified setup combines with an extensive connectivity suite, including HDMI ERC, 2 standard HDMI, USB, and Ethernet ports ready for any media device. For those seeking to condense a complete cinema directly into sleek integrated hardware rather than an elaborate rat's nest of calibration nightmares and cable clutter, the PX1-PRO confidently heralds the future today. Immerse yourself in a moment's notice in whatever flickering dream worlds you fancy through Hisense's visionary engineering. Number 1. Epson EpiqVision Ultra LS800. Pushing boundaries of image fidelity and convenience through pure technological wizardry, the Epson LS800B cements itself as an iconic masterpiece destined to steer projection technology's future. Bold innovation melds with insightful design philosophies, crafting an unmatched window into pristine cinematic worlds once confined to fantasy. Astonishing 4K PVRO UHD resolution powered by proprietary Epson liquid crystal on silicon imagery enhancement propels ultra-high fidelity visuals to cut ahead of competitors, while a scorching 4,000 lumen blue laser phosphor light source guarantees awe-inspiring vibrance in any environment imaginable for decades without maintenance. Epson shatters compromises plaguing alternative projection solutions, engineering the LS800 to welcome brilliant imagery into bright living spaces through disciplined redefining flexibility. Their custom fixed focal ultra-short throw lens scales 100 to 150 inches corner to corner from inches away, overcoming space constraints and casting in rooms deemed impossible with elegantly simple setup. Enveloping integrated Yamaha speakers transform the LS800 into a full cinematic experience, surrounding viewers in atmospheric audio perfect for booming soundtracks, enveloping gaming worlds, and clear voice playback alike. Connect devices easily through a cleanly separated interface bay, hiding clutter, while retaining access. Streamline navigation and access your favorite apps with onboard Android TV integration, or directly mirror content wirelessly from mobile devices and laptops. Epson empowers you to curate a personal home theater, customized perfectly to your needs rather than being limited by hardware restrictions. Ushering in a new generation of possibility, fusing refinement, convenience, and soul-stirring image magic through visionary technological innovation, Epson's LS800B cements itself as a watershed moment sure to steer expectations. Revel in a masterpiece crafted just for you. And that wraps up our ranking of the top 5 best short-throw 4K laser projectors money can buy in 2024. We hope breaking down the strengths of these incredible short-throw champions gives you a better idea of which model resonates most as your dream projection powerhouse. Let me know which one you have your eyes on, or if I've left off any promising short-throw 4K laser alternatives worth covering. Until next time, this has been your guide to the best big-screen projectors for that cinematic spectacle in your personal IMAX. Stay tuned for more cutting-edge AV tech. Catch you in the next one.